Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Dynamic Equities webinar. Namaste to everyone. Is my voice clear to everyone? Is my voice clear? Yes, no? Yes. So good. Let's start. So there are many friends who have joined. Welcome to all my friends and our customers and all to the new participants who are joining for the first time our webinar. So this is Shailesh Sharaf, the founder of Value Stocks app. We have a website called valuestocks.in. My company is Dynamic Equities Private Limited, and we are in the stock market since 21 years now. So today we are going to share some very good insights, good market leaders as promised. So before I want to show market leaders, I want to show you some bad stocks which you should definitely avoid, because right now we may see a correction in the market. Okay, so how do you identify a correction in the market? We might see one, and a very big one. Okay, so I want to show you the details, the steps, how do you decide a correction in the market, because we are quite close to a big correction. Okay, so we'll show you one that we might see a correction right now. So Vikash, if you can show the steps, because many people are asking me about the corrections. Do you want to know how correction comes? How do you identify corrections?
Yes, ready.
Are you interested to know about corrections? Happy Teachers Day. I'm a friend of yours only. I don't know if I'm a teacher, but I'm a good friend who will give you some good advice about thing. Teacher and guru are big words for me, I think so. Okay, so if you see on the screen how to decide a strong sell or when a market will become sell, right? This is from the market perspective. Definitely, if you're invested in good stocks and you want to, so these are some of the steps which we have made for you to understand the markets, right? Because we might see one in the next few days. So this is very, very important. So first thing is, there is a data which comes, right? What is this data? This is the open interest data, Vikash, you have to write. Actually, data is not right. Keep correcting, Vikash. Huh? Then I say next time, make it corrected.
Okay.
So the open interest data of Nifty options comes in the evening, right? So this is on our app. I'll show you the data, which is updated in our app every day. So the first day, obviously, when they do a selling, that day, the evening, the data comes in a bad situation. So I'll show you the data. So if you become a customer of ours, then you can access this data every day. And this is very important, because when the sell comes, you know, we are one of the best guys who are able to predict the market sells in the last 5 years. We have been very, very good because we follow this. We are training you this. So if you see the first time data come on 31st August, can you see 31st August? Can you mark 31st August? On 31st August, this is the Nifty options data. Okay, so we calculate the Nifty options data, and that day in the morning, the market was heavily sell. The market was heavily sell. On 31st, the market fell down in a big way. Vikash, can you show them? Market fell down in a big way. The chart. I hope you are interested in this, or you want me to go to the market leaders. Because some people were asking me, please tell us about the correction in the market. Are you interested to know this? Or if you become my customer, then you will get the recording, Mr. Ram. Yes, and then we will show you the market leaders also. Huh? Don't worry. That's what we have promised. We'll show you the 27 stocks, which after COVID also is doing pretty well. Huh? So we'll show you that those stocks also. But let's understand Nifty, because many people are asking, we'll have a good big correction. It looks like highly likely that we might have a big correction because the data is showing that. Because intraday chart?
Intraday or daily? Daily.
Daily chart, sorry.
Yeah. Daily chart is.
I can't see daily chart.
Yeah.
See, that day when the data came, they had this big sell, because if you can mark, so the high was
794. 794.
The low was 325.
325.
Okay. So when we see a market fall, we always see the data. So this data comes in the evening. So on 31st August, if you want to write, Vikash, if you can just, do you have that on a Excel so I can show them? Do you have the steps in an Excel?
The steps in Excel?
Yeah.
No, I think.
No. Can you copy? No.
Yeah, just a second. Let me try.
If you can copy it on Excel, then I want to show something so that we can put the data there so they can understand everything step by step. This is 5 years of research, my friends, I'm showing you. Maybe more than 5 years now. I think so, probably 7-8 years of research. We are talking of Nifty options data, Mr. Shivanand. Nifty options data is released by NSE every day, which gets updated in our app. Is it possible, Vikash? Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you see step 1, the data comes, right? So right now, if you see NSE open interest data, it came on the evening of 31st of August. So I'm taking you step by step. What happened? Huh? This was the theory. Now I'm actually showing you the steps are already written. Now I'm filling in the blanks. NSE open interest data came in the evening on 31st of August. And the data was minus 2 lakhs. Vikas just showed data was minus 2 lakhs. It put it exactly, Vikas. Go show. So that is why you have to follow this data. This is the most accurate data, and nobody uses this data, by the way, in the market. I don't know why they don't use it. But this, see, so this data came minus 2,06,860 contracts. This is contracts, huh? Contracts means that they must have sold, at least they have taken a short position. One contract is 8 lakhs. So 8 lakhs into 2 lakhs, maybe approximately they have taken a short position of about 16,000 crore rupees. They have sold 16,000 crore rupees of Nifty only. Huh? This is only Nifty, nothing else, friends. 16,000 crore of short position taken in one day. They do it very, very rarely. Because if you calculate, because one contract is approximately 8 lakhs of Nifty. This is contracts, by the way. Yeah? So 2,06,000 crore will be approximately 16,000 crore. Because go there in the, no, we don't need to do exact. Go there in the sheet, Excel sheet.
Excel sheet.
Sorry, वो जो दिखा रहे थे ना जहाँ कर रहे थे.
Yeah.
Steps.
Okay.
Just go on the step page. Yeah. Just put 2,06,000 contracts. So if you see, we have written very clearly, even if the data is sell in evening, please don't react until step 2 and step 3 happens. So even if the data is minus, you don't react. Data is only one indicator. Okay? Because just change the indicator 1. Step 1 हटा के इसको indicator 1 कर दे. तो मैं change भी कर देता हूँ ना. आज शाम के लिए भी easy हो जाएगा. Client training के लिए भी easy हो जाएगा. Indicator 1. इसको ठीक से रख लेना निकाल, इसको भी copy कर लेना. So first indicator is that the data will come, but don't react. Okay? Then indicator 2. We will check S&P 500 index in the evening. तो हम लोग 31st का रात को देखते हैं what happened to S&P. S&P is the American index. That is indicator 2. So before a big correction, without America falling, friends, you will never have a big correction in Nifty. Again, I'm repeating, until unless there is a big correction means what? When the market will fall by 15-20%. So if you want to have a big correction in market, American market has to support you. Okay. So indicator 2, we have to check S&P on 31st. खोल के ऊपर टैब्स खोल लेना विकास, अलग अलग इजी रहेगा, बार बार खोलना नहीं पड़ेगा, अलग अलग टैब खोल लेंगे ना.
Yeah.
We have to move from one tab to another, it will be faster.
Yeah.
I hope you will not get bored. Huh? We have people, because we called you for something else. We wanted to show you the stocks. We will show you also, but there was a huge demand. They wanted to know the markets. I hope you are interested. So these are called stepwise indicators, you know. So we are giving you indicators. Okay, so if you see on 31st, there was not any fall in, there was no fall in S&P. So obviously the data has no value then, because there was no fall in S&P on 31st. Okay, but S&P fell day before yesterday. No, ये मत लिख मैंने. Indicator 2 में लिख विकास. It did not fall on 31st, but it fell on which day? देख ले विकास. So you have to check after the data on 31st, but it fell on 2nd, na Vikas? देख ले एक बार.
Third.
This is 3rd, क्या? हाँ, this
Yeah.
3rd. So 3rd को बाजार जोर से गिरा. Obviously, everything is not correlated same day, but India में इतना बड़ा selling आया. Okay, so on 3rd September, we saw the second indicator was confirmed on 3rd. Okay, so next day morning, we have to see now previous day low. Now 3rd aaya hai, so obviously it was Saturday and Sunday, right? So basically on 6th, what was the low of 3 days of Nifty? Let's check. Go to Nifty chart. So what was the low? Basically
325 and
325, and this किसका क्या लो था?
303.
303. So basically 303 is the 3rd indicator if it breaks. So I'm showing the 3rd indicator, which will happen on 6th. तो अगर Monday को 303 break करता है, तो you have to be careful. उसमें 20-30 point extra दे दीजिए, तो keep a safety margin of 250 points. Because sometimes the false breakout होता है. So keep it 260, 250 is more safer. Because then we are looking at another 500,000 points of Nifty. So safety wise, keep it 250. 11,250 is the most safer rate. क्योंकि अगर बाजार तोड़ेगा 250 तो बाजार जोर से जाएगा. So put a 3rd indicator लिख दे विकास. Go in the 3rd indicator. So we will check 3rd indicator. We will see morning, previous day low or 2-3 days low लिख दे विकास, which is 10,300 and 11,303. Okay, if on Monday morning, indicator 4, 3A rather, अगर Monday को gap up खुलता है, you know, sometime Asian market is up 3A, because 3A में क्या लिखा है? एक बार 3A लिख दे. हाँ. If it's a market is gap up, wait for the low to break. मतलब बेचना नहीं है, wait for the 303 to break. 3B is if it is gap down. अगर gap down खुलता है तो जो opening होता है, wait for another 25 points to go down. So if Nifty opens at 250 on Monday, then sell after 225 or 200. 25 and 50 points का उसको दे दीजिए. If it opens gap down, so we don't know what is going to be the gap down. Gap down minus 275 मत लिखो विकास. Gap down figure minus 25 to 50 points के बाद बेचना है. Then it will confirm the 3AB. 3AB can have 3 scenarios. So what are you going to do on Monday morning? I'm teaching you very clearly. Okay. Indicator 4, which is also very important. Okay. The cash market Nifty should also fall below. So let's see the cash market Nifty price. S&P small cap 100, because this is delivery, you know. So if you see, what is the price, Vikash?
5528.
5528. Okay. So it should at least break 5500. So लिख दो विकास वहां पर 50. The small cap should break 5500. That means there is selling in the cash market also. Sometimes Nifty falls, but cash market doesn't fall. Then it's not a big correction. If there has to, please understand what is a big correction. A big correction means that data is minus, the American index is minus, then second day Nifty breaks, and also the cash market breaks. When everything happens, we have back tested it, then you become 80% correct. Still 20% you will be wrong. I want to be very clear. There is no magic formula. But by following this formula, then you know that something may happen big in the market if you follow the fourth indicator, indicator 4. Okay, now indicator 5, then the sell call will be generated, and ये तो विकास नहीं हुआ, indicator 5 नहीं है, ये indicator हटा दीजिए this. Basically indicator नहीं है वो हटा दे उसको. That is not an indicator. वो तो एक्शन है. वो हटा दे बेटा उसको एक बार, हटा देना, डिलीट कर दे एक बार बेटा, जस्ट डिलीट. ओके. इंडिकेटर 5 लिखो. Indicator 5, more confirmation if you want. Then DAX, the German index, opens at 1230. Indicator 5 लिख दो बेटा. 5. So on 6th September, because if there has to be a correction, everything will fall. ये नहीं कि India will fall and America will not fall. That is not a big correction. A big correction is always everything together. Is my sound clear? Is my voice clear? Don't worry about those strategies again. This is the small, this is the 10-15% correction. This has nothing to do with the strategy. So if people have big some profits or something, yet enter the stock very clearly. ये एक्शन है विकास, ये एक्चुअली इंडिकेटर नहीं है. इंडिकेटर और एक्शन में डिफरेंस है एक्चुअली. इसको थोड़ा हाइड करके रखें. हाँ, जर्मन इंडेक्स विल ओपन एट 12:30 PM. 1:30 ना विकास? 1:30 कैश मार्केट विल ओपन. कैश मार्केट लिख दे. कैश मार्केट जर्मन इंडेक्स विल ओपन एट 1:30. 1:30. Now at 2 o'clock, if you see again Nifty breaks after 1:30. If Nifty breaks and the German index also breaks previous day low. What is the German index previous day low, Vikas? Just see. Nifty breaks and the German index breaks. दिखा दे विकास.
Yeah.
This is the DAX futures. So if you see the previous day low was
DAX cash showing. So
DAX cash. It's all the same thing. Yeah. Future थोड़ा नीचे हो जाता है ना ये sometimes. Yeah. So 7/12/763. So on Monday at 2 o'clock, 1:30 the market will open. It's about 12,725. Always give 30-40 points, huh? There is never an exact rate. If it breaks 12,725, the indicator will further confirm. That means America gone, Europe gone, and Nifty gone. Then we'll have a correction of 10 to 15%. Indicator 6 मत कर उसको विकास. Now indicator उसको action कर देना. Action 1. पहले तो actually action 2 is free. Action 1 will be to sell. After this, action 1 will be to sell. And please book sell calls. Usually have to be booked very quickly. Action 2. So within, if the market doesn't, go down further, because if you see already from S&P has already gone up by 100 points, by the way. It went to 3347. It is already gone up. So the indicator may not, action may not come only. Okay, so these are, if you have any questions, it's already the, please ask the question in the chat. I hope this was beneficial for you. So this is the strategy which we follow. Again, this only works 80% of the time, by the way. There is no 100% strategy. Nobody can create a 100% strategy. So we have seen that this has worked 80% of the time. You can take a photograph, Mr. Abhishek. Take a picture. Same buy position is similar. First focus on the sell position, because we have to move to the other part of the seminar. No, not necessary, Mr. Shankar. That depends on many other things. Will it reach 6,000 or we don't know. But you might see a correction of 500 points to 1,000 points. Now, if it further goes, then we have to keep checking the data, Nifty. So you keep checking every day till how much it will go. So if the data keeps getting minus in Nifty, S&P keeps falling, DAX keeps falling, Nifty keeps breaking, then the market keeps going, down and down and down. Yes, market weakening विकास कर दे, weakening EN कर दे विकास. Action 5. Mr. Praful, if you are a customer, then you can take it from my people. So if the market goes for gap up, I have written 3A, read 3A. If it is gap up, wait for the market to go down below 275. Ruchir, wait for the market to go before 11,275, then only. Yes, we have a Nifty package. If you buy Nifty package, then you will know when to sell. It is already maximized, Mr. Pulkit. Dow Jones and S&P same, Mr. Sham Samudra. It is same. S&P is better than Dow Jones. It is the same market. It goes together. Can you थोड़ा scroll कर दे right में ना विकास, थोड़ा छोटा कर दे right में, it is going out of the screen. हाँ, yeah, better. SGX Nifty is all same. Yes, ignore. It is all same. Our main market should fall. If this happens, Mr. Shirdi, Shirdi Nagar, if this happens, if this indicator happens, then the market will fall. If these indicators don't happen, then the market will not fall. Yeah, this is applicable to only Nifty trading only. That's correct, Mr. Gandhi. And sometimes overall market, if you want to quickly book some profit, because sometimes you have a lot of profits, 50%, 100%, or some shares are highly overvalued, then you can book those shares. But again, if you are buying my strategy, after 6 days, buy those shares again. Please remember to buy those shares again if you, in case you sell. Okay, or after 6 days, 10 days, buy those shares again, huh? Because you might get a correction. Yes, if you become my customer, you'll get everything. Yes, Indian bond. That's correct, Mr. Anand. Okay, so I think so. We have covered this. I think so because people were asking. So we are giving the steps step by step. It is not easy. Again, I repeat, please don't play speculation. And I am putting a discernment that this is not 100% correct, but it has given us 80% time. We have been able to catch the market. Okay, 80% of the time. And that's a good number. And any sell will only come if there is a selling in Europe and America. Okay, Nifty can only fall 1 or 2 days because of its own. But if you want a big correction, it has to be with America and Europe. Okay, so please remember that. And although, so if it doesn't break 275 or 250, then market will not have a correction. Yes, if you become my customer, it will show. It is a paid strategy, Mr. Balakrishna. So this is a Nifty buying strategy. You can buy on the Nifty. Okay, so I hope this was beneficial. Yes, 11,275. That's correct, Mr. CP. Sorry. Everything was on the app, Mr. Kushal. You know. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so this is the overall idea of Nifty, which you need to follow. But again, if you are invested in a strategy, be careful if you want to book profits, but enter the stock within the 6 to 10 days. Huh? I'm warning you, if you don't, this is just a short-term idea to save some money. Okay, I don't recommend all those things, please. So this is very, very important because this has worked for us and we have saved some good money. With this strategy, we were able to exit everything in March also with this strategy. Same strategy we were able to exit in March. Okay, so I'll put the March figures also here so you understand that the similar thing may happen. So I'll show you the March also. In February, March, this was the same condition below figures. So if you see, they had taken a very strong position from 17th February, 13th, they had already taken a strong position of sell. Okay. They had already taken a 21,000, 3 lakh, 2 lakh contract was sold, if you see. Okay. So if the market is going to go towards bigger sell, what is the total position right now? We guys just show them. They'd sell up to 3,27,000 contract and presently they've only sold 181. So they can sell another 1,40,000 contract, which may take the market to about 11,000 or 10,800. So they sell the position in a very big way. So if you see the same period when Nifty went down, then only we got a clarity. So I'll show you the chart also of S&P. S&P did not fall between 14th February and 20th February. It fell only on, Vikas, show the S&P chart. Usko khol ke rakh lena, Vikas. Yeah. February, 24th February. Thoda aur pehle, yeah. Ye dekhiye. See when it became big. Bada chart, ye wala dikha de. Haan, ye wala. This one and this one. Yeah. So this was the big fall. which was the date 24th February. So this is where it got confirmed because the data was minus, and without America, there will never be a big correction, always be ready. Yeah? So if you don't know to see American market, until America will fall, Nifty will never fall big time. It may fall for 1-2 days, that's a small correction. If you want a large correction, 10%, 20%, 30%, America has to fall. That is 100% we have tested. So after America fell on 24th February, then only the sell call was generated. Okay, so same thing has happened. Nifty data was minus and America fell on 3rd September. See the chart right now. We can show the chart right now. So data minus with American falling. See, this is American chart. Yeah. So if you see huge selling American chart, Vikas.
America.
Yeah. Current chart.
Current chart.
So see how American has fallen and the data is also minus. Okay. So this gives you an idea that something is wrong. India data means India minus and American minus. Then something may be very, very worrisome. Okay. So please be very careful with the market right now. Extremely, extremely careful. Avoid taking any buy positions for the next 10-15 days. Yes, that's correct, Mr. Vivek Joshi. If you become my customer in Nifty, you will get all the updates. We've already updated that we might give a sell call on Monday in advance to our customers. So we regularly update them if there is any position, something like this. This happens once in 6 months, once in a year, when Nifty data minus and American falls. And during that time, you should definitely be very careful. You just go to an app and buy the strategy, Raghuji. That's it. You can pay by internet card and you can become my strategy. Okay, now let's come to the main point now. Another thing which I want to warn is exit all the bad shares. How do you know you have a bad quality stock? Because many stocks have risen. Many bad stocks have risen in the last 3-4 months. Okay, so my app clearly tells you which stocks are marked as sell. Because Excel में दिखा दे एक बार.
Yes.
Again, there is a disclaimer. We are doing our best to help you, but we are not gods. We cannot be accurate, but we are just showing that certain data, certain indicators gives you an idea that there is something major might happen in the market. And so how many stocks are sell, Vikash, out of
1112 out of 1581?
Out of 1581 friends, 1100 stocks are sell in my app. And you should, and I'm sure that you must be having at least 5-10 shares in your demat, which I'm showing sell. You should definitely exit because those shares have really gone up. Okay, because this sell में कौन सा वाला share ऊपर गया एक बार दिखा दें. All the sell shares. Sell and hold with caution. Sell का लिखा दे पहले, ठीक है. Which has gone up in a crazy manner.
800% Integra, Vikash Corp.
देखिए, just see the market cap is 10 crores. Integra, I don't know, इसका full name डाल देगा क्या विकास, so that they can understand. ये तो small name में समझ नहीं आएगा. Full name है क्या? Display name आ जाएगा क्या? Yeah. Now see Integra Garments. Who has bought Integra Garments? Who has Integra Garments? Let's see in the group. We cannot, sir. This is all private work we have done. This is a hard work. It cannot be shared. But if you become my customer, this is all shared in the app. Okay, so Integra Garment has gone up by 800%. कितना रुपया हो गया विकास, दिखा सकते हैं क्या कोई? लास्ट क्लोज 3 रुपया है, कोई खास बात नहीं है वैसे। क्या था, कोई रेट ले सकता है क्या क्लोज?
Taking 2 minutes. So
I show you the price. Mr. Kamal, you can take one-to-one training. They will show you. It's very easy. Just put the sell button. It will come. All the sell shares. Or just call up Prateek and take a one-to-one training. Forget about ROE, Mr. Geetpura. I see the market cap 10 rupees. The market cap is 10 crores. Okay. So be very careful. That's why certain 1 or 2 indicator does not mean that it's a good share. It's a combination of ROE, cash flow, low debt. Because of the results. If the results come bad in the June quarter, it will automatically go and sell. That is why you have to learn to see quarterly results.
from 20 paise it has went to 3 rupees.
And 20 पैसा it is नहीं, उसमें डाल देगा क्या, उसमें 20 पैसा या डाल देगा क्या उसमें?
Putting.
This is where the investors lose a lot of money. Suraj Chandra, you have come so many times, you still don't know the cost of my company. You're taking so many trainings. I think so now you should become a paid customer. We have given you so much free training, Mr. Suraj Chandra. Okay, so I'll show you the bad shares because I want you to really exit. This is a very dangerous time. And then I will show you the good shares also. It is not because of Mr. Shravan, not Eicher Motor is not splitted. It is showing sell because of the, it has gone in loss. In June quarter, Eicher Motor is gone in loss for the first time because of COVID. It can continue for 2 to 6 days sometimes 10 days, Mr. Praful. Usually until unless it's a big fall, in March it was 18 days, that is the highest. Usually the sell is only for 2 to 6 days. 2 to 6 days, the market goes up by 1,000 points. It is very fast, Mr. Praful. I'm showing you, I want to save certain people so that they start exiting because there is a lot of pathetic stocks which people have bought and it has really gone up. Bad stocks have gone up very highly. So I think so you should really exit. So I want to show you some bad stocks of NSE. How many people have bought Integra Garments? Anybody bought Integra Garments? Nobody, right? I hope, thank God. So I'll show you right now. The second share, Vikas, dikha de. So any company below 1,000 crores, be very careful. Any company, we did a back testing. Any company which has a market cap below 1,000 crores, and if the market goes down, it will go down by 50–70%. So be very careful, all of you. Our job is to warn you that the markets are, don't keep, only quality stock should be kept. Good, very good, Harshad ji. अच्छा हुआ आप नाम नहीं सुने. थोड़ा उल्टा कर दे, उल्टा हो गया विकास. 3 जून इधर ले या इधर ले, कंफ्यूज हो जा रहा, उल्टा हो गया. पहले 3 आएगा फिर 19 रुपये आएगा. पॉसिबल है क्या? Okay, Integra chala gaya kya?
Yeah, Integra didn't have price.
How many people have bought Vikas Multicorp? Market cap hai, it has gone up by 600%. Okay, be very careful. Kaushल्या Infra, 500%. See, all pathetic. Certain stocks, really bad stocks, which has no, all the cell companies. You have to be very careful. Ratan India Infra, McLeod Russell, Euro Multivision, CG Power. CG Power is still, so Mask Investment, Bombay Rayon, Exler Design, Reliance, Naval, Tanla, Ankit Metal. Thank God, Mr. CP, you did not buy all these counters. Yeah, CG can be quiet and let's do it later. Titagar market cap, market cap less than 1,000 crore kar dena Vikas pehle. Or easy ho jayega. Let's first show them market cap below 1,000 crore. Hold with caution bhi dal. Highest se dal. Okay, so I put it less than 1,000 crores market cap. Okay, Kaushल्या Infra, McLeod, Euro Multivision, Mass, Bombay Rayon, ये Ramco, Reliance Naval, Ankit, Vardhaman, Global, Arcom, Build, Steel Exchange. All these things have gone up crazily. Omkar Specialty, JP, Mangalam Drugs, Infra, BLS International, Explo. You can take a picture now, Vikas. एक करके एक picture डाल देना. ऐसे मत slip कर. First page मिलेगा एक बार Vikas. Go to first one. Take a picture please quickly. मोबाइल में ले लीजिए सर. मैं आपको picture दिखाता हूँ.
On first page.
First page का picture ले लीजिए. We just protection because these shares need to be sold. ना? These shares. Second page कर दे. ABM International कर दे Vikas. Yeah. Please take a picture. So we'll take you to all the shares which have risen crazily in the last 3 months. 100-200% बढ़ गए. यहीं पर investors lose करते हैं. I hope you've taken a picture in your mobile. Now put it Anant Raj ऊपर से कर दे. So in a good market, all these shares will fall by 90%, 80-90% if the market goes down. And please, if you see the name you have bought, please also write if you bought any shares in the group. Please be honest. If you bought any of the shares, if you have bought, you cannot short these shares. This is not speculation. If you bought this in the last 3 months, especially, so please be very careful. These are very dangerous shares. Huh? Go down because हो गया क्या? These are all 1,000 crore below. If anything goes wrong, these shares will really fall. Huh? Be very careful. Yes, everybody sell, Mr. Shravan Kumar. I hope you're taking pictures. Nobody will give you all the shares lists. Okay. So this was one thing. Now I'll show you the good shares. I've told you two things. I hope was it helpful? Was it helpful for everyone? Was it helpful to know the market scenario and all the shares? Now I'll show you the good shares because that is also we have to show, right? Now I'll show you good shares. So what are the qualities of a good share? So please be aware anything below 1,000 crores, 2,000 crore shares, especially 1,000, 2,000 crore shares, and they are in sell in my app, please sell them. I have categorized all 1,500 companies as sell. Okay, so please be, if you want to take one-to-one with my people, I can give you free training so that you exit these shares because you will lose a lot of money. Because in the last 3-4 months, I'm seeing people are buying crazy shares. And many of these shares are told on TV, by the way. Okay, once you become a customer, you can see everything, Mr. So I'll show you now some good shares. Okay, Vikash, strong buys, June strong buys. I'll give you a list of, as promised, 27 good shares now. Some are overvalued, so be careful. Just put strong buy, Vikash. Buy Hatal. So these are some of the good shares, fantastic shares. All June quarter results have been taken. All June quarter shares are fantastic. Okay. So we're doing from obviously HDFC Bank, June quarter results are still very good. Or Small Bank, India Mart, Intermesh. How many shares are there? Because 31 shares. We had promised 27. We are showing you 31 shares. India Mart, Intermesh, go down. We cannot answer personal questions. You have to take one-to-one serum with my people. Web of Global, Beer Cropsign, P Industries, ICICI Securities, Canfin Home, Muthoot Finance, Manappuram, SBI Cards, Britannia, Advanced Enzyme, Nestle, ICICI Lombard, Bajaj Finserv, SBI Life Insurance, HCL Tech, Hexaware, Larsen Toubro, Infotech, Infosys, Wipro, Emphasis, Divi's Lab, Abbott, Alchem, Aurobindo Pharma, Eris Life Science, IPCA, Indian Exchange, Apple India. So these are the 31 shares as promised. They have not been affected by COVID. All these shares are doing extremely well. Some of their shares are slightly overvalued. So buy at a correction, right? So buy at a correction, these shares, all these shares are fantastic. And we have just released the new strategy on our app. All customers who are paid customers, we have released the June quarter shares now. So if you have bought our quarterly strategies, all the new shares have been updated in the app. Just now, I got a message. So if you go, people who are bought quarterly strategies, all the new quarterly strategy shares have been updated, and they all are good shares after the June quarter results. So we released, Mr. Satagopan, we've released everything 15 days before. We were supposed to release on 20th September. We've released all the new shares of June quarter. So these shares are all COVID free, which has been released. I cannot answer personal questions, Sairam. It's very difficult. What filters have we used? We use ROE, we use cash flow, free cash flow, we use profit growth, we use sales growth, and we use low debt to equity ratio. We use 5 parameters, Mr. Suraj Channa. It doesn't matter, it's not going to delist, it's going to relist again. So don't worry about Hexaware. Okay, so basically Can you explain price of those shares, the price in 1 month? What has happened to the price in 1 month? Scroll down, kar de Vikash. ITC is a very good share, only sales are not doing well. So after the sales becomes good, then ITC will rise. Without sales growth, it will not rise, Arpit Shukla. The sales growth is very bad. Can you show the filters? So once you become my customer, my people can show you Mr. Suraj Chandra. So these are the 5 things which I showed you on the front page. If you go on the front page, again, I'm repeating 5 things we use. So please go, they will explain you, Mr. In the thing. I have always repeated the 5 things, filters. Always, Mr. Suraj Chandra. Same thing I'm repeating again. ROE, free cash flow, sales growth, profit growth, and debt equity ratio. Okay, show on the first page of the app. I always have said the same thing again and again because those are the 5 parameters I always share. How many people want your DMAT to be revalidated? Do you want your DMAT stocks to be revalidated? Whether we are telling you sell, buy, we are saying sell. Okay. If you want your DMAT to be revalidated, we'll open now for questions. If you want your DMAT, you can actually, Vikash, can you show them can you show the buy and hold, please?
Yeah. In this strategy only.
Yeah. Buy dikha do. These are the buy stocks. They've all not been affected by COVID. Huh? Their sales growth and profit growth is all intact even after COVID. This is all after June results. So these companies are all doing well. They have not been affected by COVID. Yes, everybody can show you. Once you become a customer, my team can show you everything, train you, everything. So price performance को sort कर दो. 3 months price performance को sort. So I've shown my price performance now. Yeah, that's correct. Ramco system looks slightly better now because some stakes are happening. But the results, we have to wait for September results to confirm, or the June results we have to check. Then we will decide on Ramco systems. Yes, you can buy. Yes, Praful. If the market corrects, then you can buy these stocks. Yes, you have to be careful, Sumeshji. If the indicator comes, you can sell, but then be ready to buy within 6 to 10 days, Sumeshji. Because these stocks is very, very good. So even a 10%, 20% correction, you can buy again. Yes, we give advisory services. You buy the app and you can do it. Okay, so the time is getting up, friends. So we'll take some questions. So who are people interested to say get their portfolio checked? If you want, we can give you one-to-one portfolio check. How many are interested? How many shares you have in your DMAT? People, how many shares you have in your DMAT? Especially people, 110. So Anupamji, please take. Sumeshji, yeah, so many people have so many shares. So my people can help you to take one-to-one. Are you interested? They will help you to see one-to-one in the app. So if you want a free portfolio check, it's a free portfolio check for 1 hour. Because send the file to them. SMS is gone, right? Pratik, have you sent the SMS to everyone? Pratik, has the SMS gone to everyone?
Yeah,
Let's put the link.
yeah,
SMS.
yes.
Has the SMS gone?
Adding Pratik.
Have you put the link, Vikash?
Yeah.
We cannot answer that question, Mr. Shushendu Majumdar. You know, don't exit any MF right now like this.
Yes,
This is not
SMS
right.
sent.
Okay, SMS has been sent and there is a link. So if you want your portfolio to be checked, you just fill up this form. And if you're really serious, then only fill up this form, because many people fill up the form and then they don't come. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Jay Kilani, if you if you take the one-to-one, then he will give you the thing. Just fill up the form, take a one-to-one session with that person, and then they can give you the recording. They can do your portfolio check. They can also give you 3 days of app to use free. Yes, Mr. Johnny. So have you received, how many people have received the SMS or the link? We can just send the link. Yes, Mr. Sumesh,
Yeah.
if you've taken the session, then you know you have to think of becoming a customer. That means you've already seen everything. So you can click on the link and you can actually sign up if you're really interested to get your portfolio checked. Sumeshji, if you didn't like our sessions or thing, then yeah, so please, Mr. Shushendu, if you're interested, please sign up for the one-to-one. Any questions people have, I can answer some questions on Nifty or on some strategies. If you have any questions. Yes, you can, Mr. Satish Kumar. You can sign up and you can know more about the products. Yes, all June quarter, more or less, Mr. Praful, has been updated. That we do not know, Mr. Shankar, how much market will go down. These are very good companies, Mr. Praveen. You show in the app the sell shares. Stephen Gojer is already a customer, I think so. If you just click in stock screener, see, I'll show you, Mr. Stephen, how to see sell shares. इसमें all भी करवा देगा, all shares 1580 वाला है.
Okay, okay. Market cap greater than 1.
तो उनको समझ नहीं आएगा, all कर देगा तो all shares of NSE.
I will make it. I will make all over here.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. I did not receive any SMS. Zamir Uddin ko bhej do. I have sent you the link on the chat, Mr. Zamir. Gold is very bullish for me, Mr. Hari Sudan. Yes, there is, each strategy has a different cost because they will give you fantastic stocks for returns, Mr. Satish Kumar. Start with one strategy or two strategies and then you can take up. Also, people should buy the Nifty strategy because the sell call will come, it will really help you.
Just sell stocks.
See, Mr. I have shown you how to get the sell stock. Just above, just click risky, all the sell stocks will come. We've already shown Mr. Subbarao, you take the one-to-one, he can give you, my person can give you the list of strong buys. I've already shown you once. Didn't get the link of self-valuation. Put it on the chat again, Pratik. So if you want, please get your portfolio checked. If the share is sell, buy, take a training, understand the products. Thank you, Mr. Sandeep. Yes, personal assistance is given free of cost only first, and then you can decide to become a customer. Bull target is about 1 lakh, Mr. Shailesh. Very high target in the next 2 to 3 years. That I cannot train you, dear Mr. Bhavin. I have a 5-day program which will going to start on 27 September. So you can attend that, Bhavin Bhai. It is 5,000 rupees for a year, Mr. Roy. First, take the free training, Mr. Roy, 1-to-1, and then you can decide. We cannot give individual views here, Mr. Narendra. You take the 1-to-1. My person will show you from the app. Yes, Mr. Prakash, I've sent you the form. Please fill up the form, Mr. Prakash. Mr. Prakash Makijani, please fill up the form. I've given you the form, Mr. Prakash. You must have received an SMS and an email. And chat me, I'm sending the form. Please fill up the form. Thank you, Mr. Shailesh Tiwari. Is it possible to show 27 stocks again? Vikash, again show the 27 stocks. I think so 2-3 people are asking. So please, Mr. Redmi, please fill up the form and take a training if you are interested. Buy the recommended stocks in a strategy that has more higher level of success, Mr. Anupam. Recommended stocks in a strategy has more higher level of success because it is back tested. It has predictive analysis. Yeah, Ashley, if you take a training of 1-to-1, then we can send you the recording. The 5 parameters are, Mr. Lalit, cash flow, ROE, sales growth, profit growth, and debt to equity ratio. Same, silver will also go up, 1.5 lakh rupees, Mr. Shailesh Tiwari. Kindly show Nifty sell sheet. We have already shown you once. You didn't take the photograph. So these are the 21 shares. I'm showing you the Nifty sell sheet also. Please, they can give you the Nifty sell sheet. Pratik, take the Nifty sell sheet and give it to everyone if they take training. Huh? You can take a picture of Nifty sell sheet. Mr. AK Singh, market goes up, small cap tends to rise. But when the market falls, they will lose 90%. Good stocks may rise less, but they fall also less, Mr. AK Singh. Yes, Mr. Gupta, you can do it, but it's slightly dangerous strategy of selling and then buying. So be very careful with these strategies. These are short-term strategies. Mr. Anil Kumar Gupta, you have to be very, very careful. So that is why I don't recommend, but you have to be very fast in selling and buying, Mr. Anil Kumar Gupta, if you want to sell. Gold MF is better, Mr. Nageshwar. Yes, Praveenji, everything is there. I hope you're my customer, Praveenji. Any other questions for people? Federal Bank is a strong buy, Mr. Vikram. Mr. AK Singh, I've already answered your question that small cap stocks tend to rise more because of speculation and because of malpractices. That is why you have to be careful. These stocks also fall 90%, Mr. AK Singh. Be very careful. Bad fundamentals will always create a problem. No, Mr. Anish Mistry, you cannot enter any stock right now. I said, Mr. Praveen, these are good stocks. I've already said Garware Technical, DCB, Mass are all good stocks, Mr. Praveen. Mr. Satish Kumar, we'll check 2 days weekend is not possible. No, we cannot change, Mr. Praful. IT stock sales is a problem. Okay, so how many people are interested to one-to-one? If you want your portfolio to be checked, you want to get your share demat, whether it is buy, sell. If you want to, please fill up the form. Vikash, update the form again. The form has been sent if you want to do one-to-one, but please only sign up if you're serious. If you don't have the time, please don't sign up and waste our time also. Some people sign up and they don't come. Okay. So if you're serious, if you want to learn, you want to get your portfolio checked, then only come, then only fill up the form. Everything Mr. Vinu Gopinath, you do to one-to-one, they will tell you by seeing my app. Yes, that's correct, Mr. Roy. That is for an annual strategy. If you take a yearly strategy, Mr. Roy, it's 5,000. Some strategies are 10,000, some strategies are 5,000. So tell Pragya to tell you about 5,000 strategies also, Mr. Roy. And both are updated. Because just show them the 5,000 and 10,000. I'll show you now if we've updated also 5,000, 10,000 on the app very clearly for all the customers. So if it's a quarterly strategy, 5,000, quarterly is 10,000 and 5,000 for quarterly. A Warren Buffett strategy is very good, Mr. Shiva Sandhi. Warren Buffett strategy is very good for everybody. That is why I take one-to-one, Mr. Satish Kumar. What are the benefits? And they will tell you. There's a huge benefit, huge value. You will get all the 1,500 stocks, whether you should buy, hold or sell, which are good quality stock. You will know everything. Any more questions before we close for the day? ITC sales growth is not happening. That's why it will take time. Yes Bank is a pathetic stock. Sell it. Hexaware is getting delisted, so avoid right now, Mr. Dilip. Coal India is a PSU. It doesn't go up, Mr. Aditya. I cannot answer individual stocks now. Everybody is asking same. Please see the app. You will get a free, all 1,500 stocks recommendations are given there. Okay. So if you become a customer, all 1,500 stocks you can see. Thank you, Mr. Majumdar. Yes, you can do it and shift to another sector in IT, Mr. Stanley. Yeah, it is already released. The June quarter strategy has been released today. So the new stock list has been released today, which will do well in the next quarter. It's good time to become a customer. We don't cover Mr. Milan Shah. There are no good stocks in BSE. We don't cover IPOs, Mr. Shailesh. Thank you, Mr. Harshad. प्रवीण जी को फिर दिखा दो भाई वो hold and yes, you can get advice. Anupam ji can call up and you can see everything from the app. And then I do one-to-one with my customer every Wednesday. You can join that, Anupam ji, and we can help you. I cannot answer individual. Please don't ask individual stock questions to me. It's not possible to answer. Thank you, Mr. Satish Kumar. I cannot answer. It depends on your profitability, Mr. Pavan. Quarterly and annual, that is the difference, Mr. Shushmita. For certain strategies are 5,000 for annual also. Once you take one-to-one, my person can explain you. Can you show the sell stock list of 30 stocks? I've already given Mr. Ashley Demelo. Please take 1-to-1 and they can show you again. More than 70%. Good or bad, Mr. Dilip Rajida? Good stocks or bad stocks, Mr. Dilip Rajida? Good stocks or bad stocks? Mr. Dilip Rajida, good stocks or bad stocks? We don't call in any number. We will send you the link to join us on a Zoom call, Mr. Ramesh Dibedi. Very good, Mr. Rajida, very good. No, we don't have any strategy for microcap. You can buy after 10-15, wait for 10-15 days, Gaurav. Maybe buy after 10-15 days, Gaurav, because the market may go on a sell. So just relax for 10-15 days and then you can buy, Mr. Gaurav, the September stocks. Depends on risk. Uday Desai ji, Warren has different large and mid, Sunil is small cap. Like, please remember Uday Desai, because you have a tendency to know. So please, a small cap is very risky. So please see your risk, Mr. Uday Desai. Okay. Please see the risk and then decide. I think so. We've already changed your strategy from Nifty. So please see your risk. How much can you handle? Thank you, Mr. Mathura. I hope you will join 1-to-1 and help us for the customer to become a customer. People who want to, please fill up the form. If you are serious about 1-to-1 and you want to know the stock list. Anybody has any final questions or should we close? Anybody has any questions? How many are interested to, if we have 179 people, I sincerely request you, you've got an SMS or there is a link again, which should send the link again, Vikash. On the chat box, I'm sending the link. You've got an SMS or an email. Please fill up the form if you're really interested at 1-to-1. But when you fill up the form, please join. Please respect our time in your time, please. Thank you, Raghuji. So my app, Mr. Shailesh, shows what is the sector performance also. Is there a formal way? It is in the app only. What formal way, Mr. Gandhi, you need? You log in and it's already there in the app. What is the formal way you need? Mr. Gandhi, what formal way do you need? It's already updated in the app. App is chargeable, Mr. Shailesh. Nothing is free. It's a research app with great stocks. You take 1-to-1, everybody will think you will tell you. Thank you, Amit ji. Thank you so much. Anybody has any final questions before we close? So if you're interested, please take the 1-to-1 free training. Get your DMAT statement check. Thank you, Mr. Shiva. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to you also, Mr. Sushendu. So people who are not interested to ask any questions or are not interested to fill up the form, you can exit. Yes, Mr. Umer, in good markets, everything goes up. When the market will go down, then we'll check, Mr. Ganeshan. Then you'll remember what we were teaching you. When the market is bullish, even pathetic stocks goes up. Because it is in sales, that is why we have warned you in advance. Yes, it provides intrinsic value of all the stocks, Mr. Raghu. Yeah, please fill up, Mr. Om Srivastava. I can send you the link. You must have received an SMS. I'll send you the link again on the chat. You can fill up there. Mine is the best website, Mr. Alok Srivastava. Valuestocks.in is the best website for stocks, for your information. You're asking me which is the best website. Please fill up the form, and you please fill up the time, Mr. Pawan Poddar. Please fill up the time and they will call you at that time. Please fill up the one-to-one form. You select the time and the person will call you, Mr. Pawan Poddar. Please click the link, select the time, and the person will call you. I am technically weak now. Do not fill up the form. Mr. Redmi, please give your number. My person will call you. No, we don't do any swing and positional trades, Mr. Dilip Raijada. We don't do that. Friends, any more questions you have? We have to end the session. They have given the number, Pratik. Please, Vikas, put down this number and call Redmi. He's not able to fill up the form.
Okay, okay. No,
Shamsundar Chitare also not able to fill up the form. Just tell them to call them. Pragya or Pratik, they will call and fill up the form. Mr. Mathura, please download from the store, Google Play. We have 129 people, sir. Please, either you ask us questions or please exit or please fill up the form. Thank you. Bye. So please exit if you or you fill up the form which is sent, or you ask a question. No, it is not helpful, Vibmesh. It's a completely app for fundamental investors. It has nothing to do with swing short-term investment. Thank you, Jay Kirani. Same to you. Mr. Muli Krishna, all the intrinsic values given. Do my 5-day program. We teach there. Pratik, tell Mr. Muli Krishna to do the 5-day program to how to calculate intrinsic value. And the app also is given if you check how to calculate intrinsic value. I hope, Mr. Muli Krishna, you are a customer now. There are 97 people. We request you, please exit or ask a question or fill up the form, either of the three. 7,500, Mr. Jagdeep. Please take one-to-one training. My person can help you. Jagdeep जी को 5-day का form भेज दो. Yes, Mr. Alok Srivastava, if you take a free one-to-one, they will give you access for 3 days free, Mr. Alok. First, take the one-to-one and they'll give you the free app to use for 2-3 days. Then you can decide to pay. That will be also be free. No problem, Anilji. You can fill up the form anytime. Thank you, Mr. Alok. We have 79 people. We request you, if you have a question, please fill up the form. Pratik, how many people have filled up the form? Thank you, Alok Srivastava. Please join up. Please respect our time and please be there. People who have filled up the form.
50 schedules.
Mr. Prahlad, number is given. He has 100 shares. Please call him up, Vikash, Pratik. Prahlad Saran Agarwal. Mujibur Rahman, you please take one-to-one. A person can help you. Mr. Sham Samudra, that is not possible. Mr. Sham Samudra, that is not possible. Nandish, that's a very difficult question to answer, because that is a very short-term trading. We may be wrong also. So you have to do it on your own risk, Mr. Nandish. These are very dangerous trades. Just sell and then buy. Sometimes you're not able to do it. So be very careful, Mr. Nandish. Prahlad Saran Agarwal has given a new number, Pratik.
Yes, noted.
Yes, it can be done, Mr. Roy. We have a referral program. So when you take one-to-one, my person can teach you the referral program. Pratik, teach Mr. Roy the referral program.
We were trying to call Mr. Roy, but he's not paying the phone. So requesting him to kindly pick the call.
Mr. Roy, please pick up your call. My person is calling, but you're not picking up. We have 59 people. Please exit the groups. Yes, Mr. Alok, you can leave now. Thank you. People can leave or fill up the form and ask questions. We have 59 people in the group. Either leave, exit, or ask questions. How many forms filled up, Vikash? Pratik? Okay, friends, thank you so much. I think so others are not asking any questions also. And
57 forms.
Yeah. Pratik, please allot them today, but most of them will for Monday. So please allot. Yeah, you take my 5-day training, so you'll understand more deeply about fundamentals.
So Abhishek is taking care of all the allotments. So
I already told Mr. Praveen, so many times you've attended. I'm repeating the same thing, Praveenji. It is the same criteria. Okay, please take one-to-one and then Praveenji is a customer also, right? Praveen Samalkar. Pratik?
yes.
Mr. Pratik, I've told you so many times on the front page. दिखा देना प्रवीण जी को front page में है. Again, I'm repeating. How many times will I repeat, Praveen ji? ROE, cash flow, debt equity, sales growth, profit growth. Praveen ji, you've heard many times. You're asking the same question. The 5-day training program which I do, we charge 7,500. Praveen ji, better take one-to-one again and then understand what is your question, sir. Okay, so we are exiting now. Thank you, friends. Thank you.